Hey there, welcome to my review of Ted's Woodworking. I'm here today to share all the important information you need about this program, including what it is, how it works, and some crucial warnings you should know before making a purchase. I've also left the official website link in the description below, so if you decide to get Ted's Woodworking, make sure to use that link to go directly to the official website. This way you avoid any issues and ensure you're getting the genuine product. Let me start by saying that Ted's Woodworking is an extensive digital guide designed for woodworking enthusiasts of all skill levels. It includes over 16,000 woodworking plans, each with detailed instructions to help you create a variety of projects from furniture to outdoor structures and much more. However, one of the most important things to note is that you must purchase it from the official website. I've seen people buying it from unauthorized sites and ending up disappointed because they received fake or incomplete versions of the product. So just to be safe, I've included the official link in the description and pinned it in the first comment to ensure you get the authentic version. Now, let's get to the big question. Does Ted's Woodworking really work? In my opinion, the answer is yes, it absolutely does. The program is incredibly comprehensive, offering step-by-step guidance that even beginners can easily follow. It's packed with detailed plans that cover a wide range of projects from simple to complex. You'll find projects for building furniture, dog houses, cabinets, barns, and so much more. Each plan comes with easy to understand instructions and clear illustrations, which really help you feel confident as you work through each project. Ted's Woodworking was created by Ted McGrath, a professional woodworker and educator. He designed this resource to make woodworking accessible for everyone, regardless of skill level. So whether you're a complete beginner or someone with more experience, you'll find projects that suit your capabilities and help you improve your woodworking skills over time. One thing I really appreciate about this program is the lifetime access. Once you purchase Ted's Woodworking, you get lifetime access to all 16,000 plans, plus any future updates. This means that no matter when you decide to tackle a new project, the resources will always be there for you. On top of that, Ted's Woodworking also includes bonus materials like woodworking tips, techniques, and guides on how to set up your own woodworking shop. These bonuses add even more value to the package and help you get started with the right tools and knowledge. Another thing to love about Ted's Woodworking is how well organized the entire program is. With such a large collection of plans, it could easily become overwhelming, but Ted has done a great job of categorizing everything in a way that makes it easy to navigate. Whether you're looking for a specific type of project or just browsing for inspiration, you'll find what you need without any hassle. Now, I do want to mention a couple of downsides. First, because the package is so large, it might take a while to download everything. The sheer volume of projects can also feel a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get familiar with the layout, it becomes easier to manage. These are minor issues though, considering the overall value you're getting with this program. A key part of this review is to remind you that Ted's Woodworking is only available through the official website. There have been reports of counterfeit versions being sold on other websites which don't offer the same quality or even the full collection of plans. People who bought from these unofficial sources have often regretted it, so to avoid any issues, make sure you only purchase from the official site. I've left the link below in the description and in the first comment to make it easier for you to find. Now, let's talk about the effectiveness of Ted's Woodworking. If you're someone who's been frustrated by unclear or overly complicated woodworking plans in the past, this program is going to be a game changer for you. The plans are detailed yet straightforward, and the illustrations are a huge help in visualizing each step of the process. Whether you're working on a small project like a birdhouse or something larger like a garage, Ted's plans guide you every step of the way. It's like having an experienced woodworker by your side teaching you as you go. One of the things I really like about this program is that it's not just about building projects, it's also about learning valuable woodworking techniques. Even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to learn how to handle tools properly and develop skills that will make you a better woodworker over time. The educational value of Ted's Woodworking is one of the reasons why it stands out from other resources on the market. Before I wrap things up, I just want to give you one final reminder. If you're interested in Ted's Woodworking, make sure you only purchase it from the official website. This is the best way to ensure that you're getting the complete package with all 16,000 plans, plus the bonus materials and lifetime access. The The link to the official site is right below in the description and pinned in the first comment. So if you're ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level, click the link below to get started with Ted's Woodworking. I'm confident you'll be impressed with the quality and depth of the program. Thanks for sticking with me through this review, and I hope you find Ted's Woodworking as valuable as I have.